Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So guys, this episode starts off with Unjengayo ulele embhedeni, you guys, and he wakes up to uPhetheni. uPhetheni is busy espilini, she's busy doing her hair. Kodwa uyabonakala Unjengayo guys ukuthi he's in pain. Kodwa uPhetheni, she's not catching on ukuthi umuntu wakhe he's in pain, phela ushayiwe izolo. So Uphetheni's like, waze walala bo. Then Unjengayo is like, yeah, good morning. Wena ulele kanjani? Uphetheni is like, ngilele kahle ukuthi nje I was thinking of all the things that I need to do. In fact, izinto okumele sizenze sobabili. Unjengayo is like, sizenze yini leyo? Then uPhetheni says ukuthi fanele sifadelele i-Christmas shopping and futhi bengicabanga ukuthi singahamba ney'ngane. Ayike Unjengayo guys, you can see ukuthi like uyakhala laphayana, uyancwina laphayana. He's in pain, his face is in pain. So he gets out of the bed and then he goes and sits towards the edge of the bed. So Uphetheni angithi she's busy with her hair in the matter. Umbhekile laphayana esipilini ukuthi hayibo wancwina guy, kwenzakalani? So she notices ukuthi hayi man, khona into efani nje that's happening la ebusweni kaNjengayo. So she goes to him and then ambambe. She touches his eye and she's like, hayibo yini lena? Unjengayo is like, ouch, hayi khohlwa ngayo. Uphetheni is like, yini kwenzekeleni? And Unjengayo is like, yehlisa umoya Phetheni, yehlisa umoya. Esinye nje isidakwa nje besizama ukuthatha i-chance or besizama ukuthatha ama-chance e-restaurant. Uphetheni is like, Paul, wasubona ukuthi wena you should jump in. Unjengayo is like, yeah, phela someone had to show him ukuthi ubehave kanjani. Uphetheni is like, oh manje wena umsebenzi wakho lowo to show people ukuthi how are they supposed to behave. Njengayo usuhamba una ney'dakwa wena. Hey, Unjengayo. Then she touches the eye. She's like, athi ngibone. Unjengayo is like, ouch, no, yekela Phetheni, ngithe yekela. Hayibo. And then the scene ends like that. Manje, ukwateledi, why is he taking out his anger on Uphetheni when Uphetheni is just angry at him? Just when Uphetheni is actually just worried about him. Yazama doda. Hi guys, next thing kwambambo ukwenzo ubhizi laphayana, busy being Mr. Makoti laphayana. Busy being Mr. Makoti, he's taking out the trash out of the house. So as he's about to open the door going out of the house, uhlangana noPhuzwayo. Kusho ukuthi uPhuzwayo, he was about to enter the house at this point. Ayike uPhuzwayo goes on to say ukuthi hawu washa. Then ulokhuzana-ke ukwenza like how ingathi early malume cause uMandulo akekho. uPhuzwayo says ayike angizelanga uMandulo lana ngithunyiwe. Ukwenza says ukuthi oh khuleka ungazifaki ngoku-explain-ke ngiyazi ukuthi uthunye ubani, ngiyazi ukuthi uthunye ubaba uVuma ukuthi uzongitshela ukuthi ngiphume ngiphele la emzini wakhe. uPhuzwayo is like, awuvumelekile la endlini emagcekeni kuthiwa nje wena ngikhiphe ngesango. Ukwenza then says ukuthi ngiyakuzwa kepha-ke uSibongile sengimphoxe kakhulu in the past, angeke ngize ngilenze lelo phutha futhi, mele ngibe lana. uPhuzwayo is like, hayi-ke uzomela ukuthi uthole enye indawo ndoda yami la uzomlindela khona, la uzolinda uSibongile khona. He goes on to say ukuthi wena zonke izinto zakho zihamba kahle, kodwa wena ukhetha ukwenza njani? Ukhetha ukuhlala la ePopo, like ukhetha iPopo to be your house or to be your home out of all places. And then uKwenza was like, ngoba uyazi njena. Then uPhuzwayo is like, yonke lento uyenzela ngoba nakho uthanda uSibongile. Amantombazana ingapha akufuna ngapha nangapha, kodwa nje wena awunandaba nabo. Yini wena mfana yini? Ukwenza is like, ngiyazi ukuthi amantombazana ayangifuna kodwa mina ngifuna uSibongile. Amehlo ami nje abheke uSibongile, futhi-ke nemali akuyona yonke into emhlabeni. uPhuzwayo is like, yeah, spoken like a rich boy. Uzomela-ke ukhethe-ke bhuti, ukhethe ukuthi ukhiphe okuncane or uphume ngomnyango. I'm just like, ukhuzwayo guys, every opportunity yena uzifunela imali. Hey, but guys, imagine ufuna imali kuma wengane uphetheni and then he wants imali wingane, which is ukwenzo. He's milking people. So he says kukwenza kuzomela ukuthi ukhethe ukuthi either uzonginikeza imali or either uzongiphumela ngomnyango because vele ngithwinyiwe. Then ukwenza says, yazi malume, la mazwi engiwakhulumayo are not rich boys words, but amazwi wendoda weqiniso. I'm not here to play any games. Ngizokwenza okumele ngikwenze so that I can prove kubaba kaSibongile. Into engiyidingayo nje yithuba kuphela. Ukhuzayo is like, yonke lento is like uyenzela because uthanda uSibongile. Then ukwenza is like, yebo kodwa-ke ubaba uvuma akakuboni konke lokhu. Ukhuzwayo then says ukuthi awusho vele yini ubaba uvume ngaboni konke lokhu. And then ukwenza says, hey angazi kodwa nje ngoba wena uyabona lokho kuyangijabulisa. I'm just like, uvuma-ke ayi angazi ukuthi uvuma hayibo ukwenza guys kunine fukuza kwambambo. Uvuma, come on, like he shouldn't let ukuthi ukwenza must be miserable the way he's miserable, because right now he is miserable. Okay, next thing there kwaDlamini guys, angithi unokuzana umamvinge linye ilanga sithi uyaklina wawele ephulini manje-ke uwenzeni. She's trying to teach them swimming lessons. Uyababona ukuthi abafuni benza ama-excuses. Uthulisile ngalami uyazikhohlelisa ukuthi she doesn't want to swim. And uphetheni, she said ukuthi the workers, they need to learn to swim guys, because imagine if uwewe did not save usis Mavis ngalelo langa ngabe sikhulumeni enye into nje. But that's an interesting thing guys, because it's an interesting dynamic, because now ingane, it's a basic skill to learn how to swim, but it's interesting also umdala learning how to swim. So this is going to be an interesting one to see. Anyway, Alisi, he's at Unomfundo's house, but you can see what Unomfundo, guys. She is not happy today. Awe kwama smiley. She's not blushing like. And I understand. After what Alisi did yesterday, so Alisi is like, amazubugo, emaqinisweni, soloko angahlangana nawe nje. Nothing I said or did was a game or to play or to try and charm you. Ulokuzana-ke unomfundo said, pho yini yonke lento oyen. As she's speaking like that, Alisi interrupts her. He's like, ngempela awuboni yini ukuthi ngiyakuthanda nomfundo. Unomfundo then says ukuthi yazi izolo wenzela kakhulu. Yabona when unjengaye said phuma, bokumele ukuthi vele uziphumele nawe, not ukuthi umshaye. Alisi said, kodwa like angithi uyena nje obekade as he's busy saying that unomfundo is like, na ushaya umuntu emzini wakhe. Alisi is like, ubekade ngidelela nje. Then ulokhuzana unomfundo is like, na mina nawe, we haven't known each other for that long for you to be doing that. Uziphathisa okwamfana onganasimilo, ushaya umuntu emzini wakhe. Alisi is like, mina bengithi ukuthi ngivikela wena. Unomfundo is like, angidingi ukuvikelwa mina, angidingi ukuvikelwa, kade ngimazi mina unjengaye. Alisi is like, wow, okay, wow. So ngempela la kuyakujabulisa konke lokhu. Do you like being a slave to the Dlaminis? Unomfundo is like, angizwa. Alisi is like, awuzwa ini ungizwile. Hamanga lento engiyishoyo, hamanga. Ngikhuluma iqiniso nawe uyakwazi lokho. Uphetheni benonjengaye bayayilawula impilo yakho. Futhi-ke they will continue to control your life if awunakile. He goes on to say ukuthi kuyakujabulisa ngempela cleaning after these people, he? Hayi man. Amazibuko awuzihloniphe man, awuzithande man, hayi suka. He gets up and he leaves. I'm just like, okay Alisi, okay, he is here to tell unomfundo that listen, know your worth, don't let these people come and do whatever they want to in your life. Hayi ke next scene ke uPhetheni we see uPhetheni angithi abo mam V abafuni guys they don't want to learn I'm assuming lessons they were busy making excuse so uPhetheni she came up with an idea to bring about an incentive she said the one who's the best swimmer amongst the three of them amongst Sis Mavis Sithulisile no Nelisile is going to win a plasma TV futhi ke bebegoduka ke ngoDecember ke guys bazohamba namabonus abo meaning that she's giving them bonus kusho ukuthi she really wants them guys to learn to swim and they were so excited all of a sudden abantu abasaguli they are ready to learn how to swim. Then we still some ke ubambe ifoni she's sitting nobhuti wakhe uNtombela and she's asking uNtombela ukuthi usakhumbula ukuthi uzothini then uNtombela says yes usamkeza konke and then uNtombela says yeah. And then she gives him one of the phones. She's like, okay, if we speak, Hage. And then we can hear the phone ringing. Ingathi bafonela someone. So I'm suspecting they're calling Lesa Sangoma. Remember, Usamke wants to clear her name. Ukuthi she's not the one obulalumbal. This Sangoma is the one who was making money off of them. So Lesa Sangoma sphendule sithi, hello. Then uNtombela's like, oh, sawubona amehlo. Usho ukuthi igama lakho amehlo or he calls himself amehlo. Says, oh, sawubona amehlo, ngidinga usizo lwakho lana. Amehlo-ke uSangoma sithi, hawu, uzwakala ingathi ungumuntu olimele impela. Udliwa yini mnganami umdala? Ulokhuzana uNtombela then says, ewu, ukhuluma ingathi uyangibona. Sengimdala futhi angisenamandla futhi nonkosikazi wami uhambile wangishiya Sangoma sithi hawu hayibo uthi kwenze njani uthi umfazi uyabaleka njalo uNtombela's like yebo a few months ago uhambile kodwa ke you need to do something ukuthi umfazi ami abuye aze la ekhaya ahlala unomphelo Isangoma sithi hayi mntana uyabona njengoba uthinte mina uthinte umuntu wangempela ke uthinte umuntu oright mntala manje ke mntala usho ukuthi uhlala kuphi uNtombela zakho oh ngihlala eQobo then Isangoma sithi Qobo oh eQobo oh ngiyayazi Qobo Qobo ikude kakhulu kunala ngihlala khona uNtombela zathi hayi phela ipension yami ingenile ipension yami namhlanje ngizoba nomusa kuwena nawe ke ube nomusa kumina ngesikhathi sakho Isangoma ke sisho ukuthi hayi ngiyakuzwa emdalo kodwa thina ezizangoma yonke into iyafana nje so I don't know if he's trying to say ukuthi like ama-price ayafana or what not but uNtombela goes on to say ukuthi ungayithatha yonke imali just as long as umfazi wami ebuyile ekhaya kulungile then Isangoma sithi yeah manje sengiyaqala ukuzwa ubuhlungu bakho ke manje ya sengiyabona impela ukuthi fanele ngize kuwe ngizobuyisa umkakho nje futhi nje mengibheka nje ngiyabona ukuthi lo muzi wakho nje like week uthi week lo muzi Says ukuthi fanele nje ukuthi uqiniswe lo muzi wakho uyangizwa baba then uNtombela's like uyazibona izinto zami then Isangoma sithi ukuthi ungakhathazeki akho mali engizoyi-eda you'll pay one price for two things then uNtombela says ukuthi ayi uyindoda elungile amehlo then Isangoma goes on to say ukuthi kodwa-ke ukhumbule ukuthi lokhu engikwenzayo ngikwenzela wena wedwa ndoda yamadoda uyangizwa wena kuphela akho muntu engizomenzela le like basically saying this package I'm giving to you it's only for you I'm not going to give it to anyone else so he goes on to say ukuthi I need you to send me a message to address it ngokushesha ukuze ngikubone kusasa then uNtombela zakho oh kusasa hayi ngizokuthumela bese ke ezise ngibese ke guys ifone icime then uNtombela zakho hello Then he looks at uSamke and he's like, ulivalile ucingo. Yeah, guys. Next thing we see Uvusi, guys. He booked angithi uThina. She works at a restaurant. He booked that whole restaurant for uThina. Kunama rose petals pansy. He booked just a table of two for the two of them. Ushukuthi everything is going fine, guys. uThina, she eventually forgave Uvusi. Vusi goes on one knee and he gives her this ring and he says, ukuthi le ring engikunikeza yona, may it be a token and a symbol of our love. He says ukuthi sithando sami ngicela ukuthi siqalele phansi ungithande njengakuqala nami ngizokuthanda njengakuqala bengicela ukuthi siqalele phansi and what not. Uvuma-ke uGcina-ke avume and yeah, that was quite cute. Next thing, uSamke, guys, she went to and see Uvuma esibhedlela. I'm just like, girl, you are brave. So Samke is like, ngiyakuthembisa ukuthi ukusukela manje ngizokwenza konke nje ngendlela. Uvuma like, uyazi ukuthi Samke bengizokushada noma ngabe like abantu had warned me about you kodwa like bengizokushada. And then he goes on to say ukuthi kodwa-ke ukulandela inhliziyo yami ungibeke kuphi buka nje ukuthi ngikuphi manje. He goes on to then say ukuthi cela Samke cela ungihambele ngiyacela. uSamke is like, okay, for wena ngizohamba. Ngiyazi ukuthi kumele uphumule. But you can see ukuthi akafuni ukuhamba, guys, but she's just trying to respect him and not to be over, like overbearing or overpowering him. So as she's as ePhakama about to leave, amlungiseleke, she fixes ingubo kaVuma. As she's fixing ingubo kaVuma, uVelephi comes in and sees her. uVelephi is like, yey wena Mthakathi, uzama ukwenzani? Uzama ukukenya ubaba wena? Wenzani? Ngicela ngisizeni, sizami ngimbambile. uSibongile-ke no Mandulo come in rushing in. uMandulo's like, what? Wenzani? uVelephi is like, hey, bezama ukukenya ubaba lona ini. uMandulo aphambe ikhanda lakhe and she's like, malo. uSibongile is like, kodwa andangithi ngangitshela. uMandulo is like, ufunani lo lana? Ufunani wena lana? Yey wentombazane, hamba lana, hamba. uSibongile is like, usifunani ngempela lona? Then a nurse comes in, guys, because of Aibo, like now the nurse comes in. She's like, Aibo, umsindo wani lo ongaka esibhedlela. This isn't a court. Sinabantu abagulayo lana. Like kwenzakalani vele? uVelephi is like, khiphani lona, pointing at uSamke. Khiphani lona, ngimbambile zama ukenya ubaba. She's not even family. Like akahambe noMthakathi mkhipheni. uNesi-ke looks at uSamke. She's like, mama, ngenkulu inhlonipho sicela ukuthi ubashiye bodwa nje. uSamke says ukuthi ngelinye ilanga iqiniso lizoziveza. uMandulo is like, hayi suka, iqiniso lani lelo? Hamba, iqiniso lani? Phuma nje lento nena. And then uSamke aphume-ke. uMandulo, she runs to uVuma. She's like, bhuti. uVelephi is like, akakulimazanga baba, akakulimazanga. Ulokhuzana-ke uVuma says ukuthi ngi-right. Guys, while they busy accusing uSamke ukuthi bekakenya uVuma uzithulele laphayana. He's not even trying to say ukuthi hayi bo, she was just fixing my blanket, nothing. He's just keeping quiet. Hi guys, last scene we see uNomfundo. She's in her house, guys, and she's dressed in her work attire. Her attire that she's to wear as a cleaner pattern. And I'm like, what's going on here? As she's busy fixing ngemuva i-apron yakhona-ke, uNjengaye comes into the house. uNjengaye is like, how? Unzakalani? Like confused ukuthi why are you wearing that uniform because awusasebenzi laphayana. Nomfundi yambona ebusweni ukuthi guys, she's akekho right. So Nomfundo says ukuthi ngifuna sihambe siya kumfazi wakho simtshele ukuthi why was I on that holiday with you. Umtshele futhi ukuthi waliphazamisa kanjani usuku lwethu. Siyezwana? unjengaye, guys, he's just quiet there. He doesn't know what to say. Unomfundo's like, awusakwazi ukukhuluma njengaye Dlamini. Yabona mesifika laphayana ngifuna ukuthi umtshele umkakho umtshele yonke into and then uyongilungisela i-room e-7's quarters ngoba mina ngisebenza ngithi ngisebenzi mina. Unjengaye is just standing there, guys, looking confused as if he wants to ask ukuthi wenzakani, like, and then like where's this all coming from? Unomfundo goes on to say ukuthi yohlala mina ngisebenze emehlweni akho and your family's eyes. Ngiyohleli nje ngiyisigqila somuzi wakho mina and nothing else. Khona manje umfazi wakho ungivimbele ukuthi ngibone ingane yami. Angikwazi nokubona ingane yami mina njengaye. Nawe nje hlala ungifundelela ukuthi umuzi wakho lo mina anginalutho la emhlabeni. If umuzi wakho ke lona ulungile uthathe ngiyohlala ke mina emgaqweni with nothing because wena you always telling me about umuzi wakho, like angeke ngikwazi ukuphila kanjena mina. You treat me like an animal, you treat me like I'm a nobody wena njengaye. She goes on to say ukuthi emehlweni akho nje ngiyohleli nje ngisebenzi ngaso sonke isikhathi ngikhathele njengaye. Ngifuna ukuthi sihambe ke manje siye emzini wakho njengaye ufike utshana umkakho ukuthi ngikhathele. Ngiyangizwa njengaye ngikhathele sekwanele. And the episode just ends like that. Yo, guys, kusho ukuthi leya nkulumo kaMxolisi was saying ukuthi these people are going to rule your lives, are going to control your life forever. Kusho ukuthi ingenile, guys, and she realized ukuthi Mxolisi has a point and now she is tired, you guys. Anyway, tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.